Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 27th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're on the 4 hour time frame. So the 4 hour time frame is definitely making higher highs, higher lows. So I would be recommending shorts if you do trade the very, very short time frames. Now, for me, I am definitely looking at this move up as still possibly a pullback to this move down, meaning that it could end up making a lower high and end up making another wave down. Whether this is all still just part of a crescent to the uptrend or whether it's a complete trend reversal like we're kind of hoping for is yet to be determined. So going down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move down right here. If we get, one wave up, one wave down, A, B, and then a wave C to a Fibonacci retracement level, and then it makes like a big reaction to the downside, then that would be exactly what I would be looking for my entry to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. I would definitely want to see a good reaction because if it just, goes up, bounces, doesn't break structure, doesn't make like a lower high or anything like that, and it just keeps on going up, that's why I would be recommending longs if you are trading the very short time frames. Because there is a chance it just keeps on going up. But like I said, keep an eye on your fib levels. Look for a break of trend. If you get a break of trend at a Fibonacci level, then it's likely the end of a correction, and it's likely the beginning of a new downtrend on the higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.